It is a cold, icy day in Northern Virginia. So I'm very happy to have this distraction and the fun of opening my Stitch Fix and do a try on. And hopefully there's something warm in here that I can wear. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. It comes in a nice bundle like this. You get 5 items. I have to tell you, I did peek. And I peeked because my box wasn't supposed to be here until the day after I leave to go back to Cincinnati. So I was curious. I'm like, what did I get? I'm gonna have to wait. Like, I'm gonna be gone a week and a half. What did I get? So I peeked, and the way that you can peek at Stitch Fix is they don't send you a preview. I think there's something in testing where they might send you a preview, but I haven't been part of that. But when you know that your box has shipped, you can go in and check out before it even arrives, and then it shows you all your items. So I did peek, so I have an idea of what's in here. So it looks pretty good, let me tell you. I think Emma, do I have Emma? Let's see, your stylist sends you a note, and they also send you, yes, I have Emma, a sheet that you can figure out, help you style some of the items that they sent you. Also, here's the price sheet, and they send you a envelope. Anything that doesn't work out, you just put it in the envelope and drop it off at USPS or give it to your post man or woman. So, all right, I'm gonna show these to you really quick. Oh, Stitch Fix, $20 styling fee. It's applied to anything that you purchase. And if you use my referral link, we both get a $25 credit. We do, both of us. Okay, so I'm gonna show these to you real quick, put all the information on the screen. I'll tell you right now, this is soft. I don't know how much it is, but this is really soft. This is the thing that I like about Stitch Fix clothes, is they are typically very good quality, and you're gonna pay for quality. So this is soft, this is nice. This would be good with leggings, tell you, I'm freezing. Okay, this is nice. It's gray, but I like it. This is a zip up, kind of like a, what do you call these things? I don't know, I wear them all the time. I have one on now, but this is a thinner material. What do you call these? Athletic jacket, I guess, or I don't know. This one's thin, which is okay. And it zips all the way up. So it's like a gray with some black or dark gray going through it. I like the white zipper on it. Looks like it might be a little longer in the back, and it has the zipper pockets. Nice. I know what this is. This looks cute. This looks really cute. It's a vest. Look at this. How cute is this? Pockets. I like it, I like it. I hope it looks good on. Not sure about these leggings, but they are cute. Let's see, these look nice. Looks like it's got a zipper in the back for your keys, or I don't know what. So I'm not sure what length that is. Feels nice, feels really nice. Okay, so I'm looking forward to trying those on. And we have a pair of jeans, let's see. What are these? I bet there's no distressing. Nope, well, these are different. What are these? They look like they're straight legs. Look at the, up here at the waistband. There's no waistband in front. Oh, they have some stretch. Emma, are you watching? You know I'm expanding. Okay, so you've got like it shows the waistband here, but it doesn't show it in the front. Oh, there's no stretch in the front. There's stretch, but it's not the elastic in the back. And they do look like they're straight leg. So it's a nice wash. So let's get to the try on. Okay, I'm liking this. Let me tell you, I like this top. This is actually by Market and Spruce. This one is a size small. It is a zip up performance, I guess, jacket. Okay, when I go out for walks, this will keep my neck warm. It does have the thumb holes to keep my hands nice and warm. Has the pockets, which is nice. It's so soft. It's very soft. In the back. It's almost like wearing a lightweight sweater. It's so soft. It feels warmer than it's lightweight, but it feels warmer than the weight of it. It's $58. I think that's a good price. I will get a lot of use out of this. A lot of use. Here it is unzipped. Okay, I'm gonna show you these leggings. And I like them. Oh, I know. I mean, I might watch the video and be like, no. So, oops, I have a black bra on. Oh well, who cares? It just says girls. Okay, I'm gonna show you these leggings and you guys tell me what you think, honestly. And I know you guys will be honest with me. So I've tucked in the shirt. They're by FP Movement. It's called You're a Peach. These are a size large, $88. I like them enough, I think, to pay $88 for them. I know, leggings. They give you a slimming look, I think. So let me back up. I like the high waist on these. It's got the larger panel, no pockets on the sides. It's got the stripes going down the side. The zipper back here. On the side here. I like them. $88. I know, but I like them and I will wear these. Although these are large and the crotch feels like they're falling down a little bit. But I think that's, I think I'll be okay with that because I will feel good about throwing these in the dryer. So if they shrink a little bit, I'm good. But I like them. I think they're slimming looking. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, let's start with this top. It is really soft, another soft top. They call it a sweatshirt, but it does not feel like a sweatshirt. It feels like a thin sweater, a very soft sweater. It's really cute. It's, okay, you guys can tell. I don't know what to say because I don't like it. It's by SUNDRY. It's $108. I'm not a camo girl. I know there's a lot of you guys out there that like camo. I'm just not a camo girl. Maybe a pink camo I might like, but I don't know. Maybe it's just the style of this that I don't like. It looks like it might be, yeah, it's longer in the back than in the front. But one of the things that I noticed, and Mike noticed it also, is that this keeps rolling, like rolling up, and the back keeps rolling also. So for $108, no. And I'm not crazy about this neckline. Maybe if it was more like a boat neck or had a V or something, maybe I would like it a little bit more. But I mean, it's soft and it's got, you know, a cuff here and it's got the little, not a cuff, you guys know what I mean. Hem down here, the higher hem, whatever you call it, goes around. I don't know. Does it have a pocket? No. It's just not for me. $108, no thank you. All right, let's talk about these jeans. These are by Liverpool. They're size 6. They're called the Gia Glider. They're pull-ons. I didn't know that until I went to unbutton them, unsnap them. And okay, here's the thing, ladies. When I get these, I open them, I take them upstairs, I just put them on, I look at them, I'm like, okay, put them on, I'm like, do I like it or not? That's what I do. So, the jeans are a pull-on. And I mean, they're okay, they're nothing special. I mean, they are, let's see, are they 5-pocket? No, just 4-pocket. Straight leg. I don't know. They don't feel good. There's something about them that I don't like. Oh, okay, let me show you. So it does have this, looks like a snap, fake snap. It doesn't, there's no zipper or anything, which I just assume not have that. I just assume if they're gonna be pull-ons, that they were just a flat, you know, that they didn't have the belt loops in that. But I understand why they do that. So it looks like you're wearing regular jeans. They just feel funny right here. They just don't feel good. I don't know what else to say. They're just not, how much are they? $98. No, not for $98. Okay, see, one more item. Okay, this could be a really cute vest. It's $48, it's by COFFEESHOP. And I mean, it's really, I like the style of it, but I feel like this is too heavy for me, for my frame. I don't know, what do you guys think? I love the pockets, I like the concept of this, but it's longer in the front. And I feel like it just brings me down, like it just shortens me. I'm 5'4", so I just think, I don't know. I mean, I really like it, but, well, let me show you some more of it. You know, it's got the flaps here, and I don't know. Maybe if it was just straight, not hemming it, no. Even that, I think this is too much. I think it needs to be less of this. And then, even though it's longer in the front, I think it would have been okay. Sure is cute. It really is cute. It's just, I think there's just too much material on this. Yeah, it's just too much material. Unfortunately, here, let me show it to you a little closer. Oh goodness, this is gonna be a no. Let's do a review. Okay, this is gonna be easy. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep these very pricey leggings for $88. They are probably one of the first leggings that I actually really like, unless I watch the video back and I'm like, oh no, 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 no. And you guys say, no, girlfriend, But for right now, I think these are I'm gonna keep them. I really like them, $88, and I will wear these to go walk in. So those are gonna be definitely a keeper, unless, you know, like I said, watching the video. The other thing that I think I'm gonna keep is I'm gonna keep this. I'm not as crazy about the color as I thought I was okay with it. I mean, I like it. It's only $58, I say only, but it's really soft, and I could put this on when I go for a walk, and then with a t-shirt, and then take this off, and I always tie the arms around my waist. So I think this might be a good layering piece for me, but do I really need it? That's what I need to, because I have quite a few of these. So I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna keep this. And this is $58. So if I keep just the two, my price would be $146 for the two. Let's see. The camo, no. I just don't, I don't know. It's nice and soft, and SUNDRY is a really good brand, and I know they're pricey, $108. No, I didn't really care for the fit of it, or I'm really not liking, I just don't like it, okay? I just don't like it. It's just not for me. I'm not a camo girl. The Liverpool jeans, no. They just didn't feel, I don't know. I just didn't feel good in them. So I'm going with my gut. These two are a no. The vest is a no. If I were to keep the entire box, my box is $400. You get 25% off, which would take $100 off, would bring the box down to $300. And then I have a $50 credit. So whoever, 2 people used my referral links. So I got $50 or $25 each. You guys got $25 each. So thank you so much. So I have $50 credit, would bring the box down to $250, but no. So actually with the credit, this will bring this down to $96 for both. So I don't know. I'm still debating about this. I'll have to look at the footage. These are definitely, I'm pretty sure, definitely. Probably gonna keep these two. Okay, that's it. I mean, I think it was a really good box. I think Emma did a great job. She listens to my feedback and she pulls pieces together that she thinks that I will like. I mean, you never know till you try them on. So I appreciate that. I appreciate my stylist. So thank you, Emma, if you're watching. And that's it. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. Thanks for watching, everyone. How was it?
Okay. Just want to have a little taste. It's nice.
Bye, love.
Good night.